One time, they got a temple in a very bad neighborhood. It's like one of the highest, this city has the highest crime rate in all the cities in the United States. And this neighborhood had the highest crime rate in the city. So do the math. And that's where the temple was. So that's where they were thinking of getting the temple. Why did they think of getting the temple? That was the Fisher Mansion. It was a mansion that was practically being given away for nothing because it was in the neighborhood had degraded so much nobody would buy it. So we got a building. I don't know, that building must be worth, who knows now, $15 million now, and we got it for $300,000 in 1975. Of course, with inflation, it's a little more, but still, it was still quite expensive. They said, Prabhupada, we don't know if we should buy this building. I think it was an escrow they can pull out. So we don't know if we should buy it because it's a dangerous neighborhood. He said, no, invite them all in. Let them come in. Give them prasadam and tell them you can steal whatever you want. You can steal it. So that was Prabhupada's, yeah, that's okay, whatever. All right. So, in the interest of time, we are now going to give Nicholas, who's soon to be, well, let me give you a hint, Nicholas. Today is Nrsimha Chaturdasi, and your name begins with an N. So there might be some connection there. But I will give you your name after you tell me how many rounds you're going to chant, and principles you're going to follow, and what else you're going to do. And then, do you have the beads I gave you? Are they around? Because when I will give them, I will pretend to be giving them through the screen, and then you can receive them if you have them. Okay? So, so how many rounds are you going to chant? Don't take the beads yet. Just when I put my hand up to the camera, you can take them. So how many rounds are you going to chant?
At least 16 rounds of the Mahamantra.
Yeah. Are they going to be good or bad?
Good is better.
Yeah. Because if they're not good, don't bother to chant. There's not really a need to chant bad rounds. It's like counterfeit money, you don't need it, just burn it. Okay, that's being extreme, but you're making a vow to chant 16 good rounds, not just get them to that. Okay, what are the 4 principles you're going to follow?
No meat eating, no intoxication, no gambling, and no illicit sex.
Okay, so now I'm going to go like this, and you're going to put the beads in your hand, okay? And I'll give you your hand. So you have the beads there? Yeah, okay. So, take the beads, I'm handing, put the beads in his hand. Your name is Nrsimha Chaitanya Dasa. You know, sometimes he became very angry, and it was said he was angry like Lord Nrsimhadev. You know, there was anger, and sometimes he becomes angry to protect his devotees, angry at those who offend his devotees, he becomes angry. So that is one aspect of Nrsimha Chaitanya, when Lord Chaitanya becomes angry. But it's okay to become angry if you become angry for beneficent, for beneficial reasons, to protect people, yeah. To correct and protect, it may be beneficial to be angry. But there's another aspect, that when you place Nrsimhadev on an altar where there's Lord Chaitanya, then he will take on Lord Chaitanya's mood. So we can also say, you can say it's Lord Chaitanya in Nrsimhadev's mood, or you can say it's Nrsimhadev in Lord Chaitanya's mood. Probably better for you to think like that. Right? Now, I have a little story for you, and this has never happened in any initiation, and somehow it's happening today. So, where did this name come from? Well, I had a godbrother named Nrsimha Chaitanya, and I know, probably no one's ever heard that name before. And we worked together, and we were in San Diego, California. And he later moved to Florida, and we spent some time, but I lost touch with him. And recently he left his body. And I had written a book called Living the Wisdom of Bhakti, And the devotee who was taking care of him had helped me edit that book. And he was going through a really dark night of the soul. He'd gone through some hard times in his spiritual life, and he was having all kinds of doubts, even up to the end of his life. And she said, that book really helped him. And, you know, she said, I got his watch, and I want to give you his watch. And here's his watch. It's a... Is this a good watch? It's a... I don't know what it is. It's a something. Okay, I can't read it. Can you read it? Do you know anything about watches? Okay. What does it say? A Rolex? What's written in it? A Brexo. Maybe it's a... I don't know. Anyway, this is his watch. When I come to New Govardhan, I'm going to give you his watch. So you can wear the watch and you can remember him. You've got the name Prabhupada gave to him. So, but you'll have to remind me when I'm coming to, you don't have to remind me to get on the plane in New Govardhan, just have to remind me to take this with me. And it's sitting in my desk right here. And you're going to take this. Shri Chaitanya Prabhu Ki Jai. Bye, Guru Premanandi. So, continue your service, and you can protect people from themselves in the mode of Lord Nrsingadev, because that's what he does, he purifies. And you can be in the mode of Lord Chaitanya as compassion to go out and do that service. Hare Krishna. Prabhupada ki jai. So I have another class in 20 minutes. We're going to China in 20 minutes. It is 7 a.m. in China now. Well, it's 6:40 a.m. in China. So we're going to have to say goodbye to all of you. It was nice seeing you. Nice being with you.
Hare Krishna.
And I'm very happy that you're progressing nicely in spiritual life and doing such nice service in Australia, keeping all the devotees happy by cooking for them and helping others from Krishna village relate to the temple, and also teaching people how to chant. Thank you all for coming. Hare Krishna to everyone.
Hare Krishna.
And Nrsinga Chaitanya ki jai.
Hare.
Srila Prabhupada ki jai. I guess if you're wondering if you want to get a tattoo, I guess that answers that question. Hare Krishna. You know, people ask me, like, can I get a tattoo? I go, well, if it helps you remember Krishna. I have many, you know, I was thinking, just get the whole Nrsinga Kavacha tattooed somewhere on your body. It's like, read it every day. Anyway, that would be kind of extreme. Okay, Srila Prabhupada ki jai. And we will see you next time. Or Premanandi.
Hare Krishna.
Thank His Grace for helping the group, and we look forward to him coming to New Governor. Something's going to get on.